I'm Miss Beth, Education Director, and one of the teachers here at Playgarden Prep Online. We started Playgarden Prep Online about 3 years ago because we felt passionately that all little ones should have access to early learning and well-being, even if they can't go to school or daycare. Our online curriculum has actually been curated from our New York City locations, where we strive to promote cognitive development, language development, social, emotional, and physical, all while instilling an early love of learning for little ones. With our online platform, we often get asked, how do you keep little ones focused? And we do this by differentiating our instruction for different style learners. For example, one of the things we offer are pre-recorded lessons from our New York City teachers that focus on core subjects such as math, early literacy, science, geography, and a lot more. And to go along with those lessons, little ones get workbooks to further help their understanding of that lesson. We also offer our online Zoom classes, which encourage your little ones to get their Legos out, tell some stories, do some art, and of course socialize with their online teachers and friends. These Zoom classes often complement the daily lessons that they see in the pre-recorded videos. We also always want to evolve our curriculum and acknowledge that families at home play the biggest role in their little one's development, especially during these ever-changing times. Because of that, we've created our well-being page, which includes at-home DIY projects, a variety of book readings, nutrition recipes, and other activities to promote family engagement and togetherness. With all of our online options, we hope to enrich the lives of little ones, promote early development, and of course, make families' lives a little bit easier at home, no matter where you are.